Stephen found something very strange here and pointed it out to me. I think I would have totally passed this off if you didn't know about it. So this is pretty exciting. I have 4 different little sticks here. You may notice that they're in different varieties. This one has like a little strip of glue. This one is just like a green stick. This one is like a peeled one, and this is like a dried out one. And what are these, Stephen?
So this is a plant, it's called toothbrush sticks. People use this as a toothbrush, and it was originally mentioned in the Quran as the halal way to clean your teeth. And it does actually have edible berries as well. But I mean, we didn't see the berries anywhere, or the plants for that matter. But what you do is you chew on the end of this, and then the fiber comes out, and then you use the fiber to clean your teeth. Mm-hmm. And it's a natural toothbrush replacer. This one's, I think that's the coolest looking one.
Well, it's cool because it's got like, you can see that little handle.
Yeah, handle.
They put that strip to give you like a grip to hold on to.
You start on the end and move your way down.
This one is probably, you get a little bit more bang for your buck because you can use both ends, I guess. Mm-hmm. But yeah, that's super interesting. And they have like a slight spicy smell to them. So I wonder if is this maybe desirable not just for the fact that it gets fibrous, but maybe...
I think it really does clean your teeth. I think it is
It's got like some sort of cleansing property.
Yeah, something about it, because it smells like almost like toothpaste.
Vaguely. I mean, I wouldn't go so far to say this smells like mint, but it smells like herbaceous.
I'd say like wintergreen, maybe?
Maybe like a little bit like mothballs. Are you getting that? Like some sort of like camphor kind of smell.
Yeah. I mean, it's quite distinct.
Like spicy mothball. Maybe a little bit like cinnamon. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to brush my teeth with this thing. Kind of interesting that they have this, and they have different varieties depending on like what you're interested in, if you want the grip or not.
They actually had a couple other ones at the other market too, where it looked like they put it in some kind of a flavoring thing.
These were 5 beer each.
Yeah.
Which altogether that is like 75 cents or something. It's like very, very cheap. Like it's like 10 cents to get a little toothbrush that you don't even need toothpaste for. That's convenient.
Yeah, that's the ancient toothbrush.
But are these American Dental Association approved?
I don't know.
Probably. I did a little bit of research and managed to find some Wi-Fi here, which is great. And my good friends over at Atlas Obscura have a pretty good article on it where they gave some interesting information. The World Health Organization, along with studies conducted by scientists around the world, have declared that the toothbrush tree stick is at least as good at maintaining oral hygiene as a plastic toothbrush. It contains naturally everything that we force into a tube of toothpaste. There's fluoride, there's abrasives, there's detergents, flavor, and it's free. That's the beautiful thing. So this has like everything that toothpaste has, except that it grows naturally on a tree. I'm gonna use this one here just because this one has the most scent to it. I figure it might be the most flavorful, so I can remark on the flavor. But you can see that I peeled off the edge of it, and this is actually incredibly easy to peel off. So you take this edge, about an inch of it, and you chew it. Oh, it's really hard. It does remind me a little bit of mothballs, though. Not that I've eaten a mothball, but it tastes like how that smells. I'm sure this is very attractive, so let's zoom in. What I'm doing is I'm just kind of biting it and twisting it. You can see now it's got like little bristles. It's like very similar to a toothbrush. This is amazing. Just the fact that this exists in nature is amazing. Something with the properties of toothpaste and toothbrush quality to it, just like the bristles of a toothbrush. It feels like it should like this was made for this purpose. I read that people who use this will brush their teeth for like 10 minutes, not for just like a few seconds like we do in America. The bristles are like not so super tough, so I can feel like them flaking off a little bit. It's a little odd to use, I'm not used to it. But this does feel kind of like a toothbrush. And it tastes clean, like the flavor it has, although a little weird to me because it smells like mothballs, tastes a little bit like mothballs I imagine would taste. It does have like it's kind of like a refreshing kind of feel. It's like a clean taste. If everything that I'm reading is correct, if it does have all of those actual properties in it, like the World Health Organization says it does, which I feel is pretty reputable, right? Then this is a fantastic freak of nature that a toothbrush actually grows on a tree. I am dumbfounded that this has so many things in it that just seem like it's perfect for brushing your teeth. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, you may want to check out the video that is below me right now. That should be good too. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, it is a huge help to my channel, so please do consider subscribing or clicking that bell. That does something too. Not sure what it is. Also, check out the description below. There's all sorts of other things I have going on. I don't even know anymore. But guys, I will see you next time. Take care.